Myself, Vimit. I have completed my Bachelor's of Engineering from B&M Institute of Technology, Bangalore. I'm a 2025 pass out. Well, in my 7th sem, I was doing an internship where I got interested in the embedded system, and I was searching through Google and other websites where I got to see the Emertxe reviews. I read the reviews of the Emertxe and I wanted to join it, so I joined Emertxe. Well, in our college, the syllabus would have been more of in theory concepts, where in Emergey is structured more of in practical based teaching, where every day we are meant to learn like doing assignments, templates, programs, everything we'll be doing here, and it is different from the college. I have done 8 projects in the embedded systems, where I got strong fundamentals in C programming, C++, data structures, and major projects from microcontrollers that made me confident that I can work in the embedded systems. Overall, our experience from the Emertxe is good. I'm happy that I have been placed in the Tata Elxsi, and I'm looking forward. I want to tell that juniors to work on more on assignments, templates, and projects which are provided by the Emertxe, and work according to the mentors. What do they say?
My name is C. Vinay Satvik Reddy. I'm from Ballari. I did my Bachelor's of Engineering from Ballari Institute of Technology and Management. I completed my BE on June 2025. Actually, the interest of joining in electronics or in background I've started from when in a time of COVID. So I joined BE in E&C, Electronics and Communication domain. While doing my projects in my college days, I've done 2 projects which gained more interest in embedded systems, where the existing product can be developed and improved much better using embedded system. So this thought gave me boost to join embedded systems. When I was thinking to join an embedded course, my friend already joined it before itself. So he said the Emertxe is good, the mentors are good, they give active support to you 24/7. So we thought we join at the same time we joined, and he got the job and I got the job. I completed 8 projects from all the modules. By doing the projects, I get to know that how coding works in solving a real problem. In interviews, it helps me more because it gives more understanding to about the topic to explain. In my college, there used to be a theory classes more than a practical. But in Emertxe, for every model, we have done it practically. Our classes was to be 2 hours classes, 2 hours labs, where we improve our skills at the same time. Assignments and projects helps in deep learning. By go through the theory parts, we don't learn it completely and deeply. So to understand how to use the modules or the concept, we have to learn assignments day-to-day wise. On working on the assignments, we will be more easily solve the projects also. This is my first interview in Tata Elxsi. In Tata Elxsi, the interviewer was very friendly guy. He has seen my resume and he asked accordingly to it. I was able to answer because of assignments and the projects. The journey was good. Emertxe gave me freedom to ask anything, any such kind of doubts or anything you do not understand. We can message them. We can contact whenever we want. They were helpful at 24/7 hours. So it made me very easy to learn smoothly. I would suggest to maintain consistency by doing all the things what the mentor says. It's very important. So focus what they say and you will get the result at the end.
I am Sandeep Kumar from Andhra Pradesh. I have completed graduation in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Bapatla Engineering College. While I was in BTech, I did one project. That time I got to know that embedded systems. In this domain, I have interested to that. Then I have searched for good institute in this Bangalore. Then I have joined here. Compared to my college, here in this institute, the mentors are very friendly, and whatever I have got questions, then they will come to me and they will answer me the things. I have completed 5 projects in Emertxe. These projects helped me to placements while they were asking it different questions. I have answered them. Overall journey is good to me, and I have learned many things from this institute. I'll give suggestion for the students. If you want to become a embedded engineer, then you can join Emertxe and you can learn many things.
Hi, my name is Yogesh. I'm from Bangalore and I did my engineering from Bangalore Institute of Technology in Electronics and Communication. When I doing my engineering, I did an internship in embedded. So during that time, I did some projects. There, I got interest in embedded, and I need to work in a core field. Even though I completed in electronics and communication. So after that, I researched about the course which will give exposure to the core field. Then I get to know about the Emertxe. So I decided to join and do a course from Emertxe. In college, we will get only theory exposure, and continuously we will not do lab. It is only some certain period. So in Emertxe, we will get real work experience. Means we will do some assignments, we will do projects, and mentors are friendly. They will help us if we stuck in something. So if practically we get exposure, and if we write more code, like 1,000 code we write, means by debugging it, we can get some knowledge practically. So this is the difference. I did 8 projects in Emertxe. Means in every module there is a project. I did all the projects. It helps us because when we do this project in an interview, we can explain it clearly. Means assignments will help us to learn more and deep. Means like debugging skills also we will improve, and what the industry needs, that we'll only get through a practical exposure. So assignments is very important. Overall journey is good. Means initially in some interviews I got failed. So by asking the mentors and what to do next, I worked on my skills, and experience is good. I got to learn many things here, and I will also take in the future. Whoever join in this course work hard. Means from the beginning also what the mentors they will tell, work from the day one until you get placed. Don't leave it, keep consistency in working.